Food waste and sustainability. The importance of reducing food waste for a sustainable future. Presentation overview. The problem of food waste. Food waste is a major problem around the world, and its impact on the environment is significant. We'll examine the causes and examples of food waste in this presentation. Environmental impacts of food waste. Food waste has a significant environmental impact, including greenhouse gas emissions and water scarcity. We'll evaluate this impact in this presentation. Sustainable solutions to food waste. Reducing, reusing, and donating food waste are some of the sustainable solutions to this problem. We'll look at these solutions and their benefits in this presentation. The problem of food waste. Oversupply. The oversupply of food is one of the main causes of food waste. It happens when there is more food produced than what is required, and the excess goes to waste. Consumer behavior. Consumer behavior plays a significant role in food waste. Many consumers purchase more food than they need, leading to excess food that often gets thrown away. Lack of infrastructure. Lack of proper infrastructure, such as storage facilities, transportation, and cold chain management, also contributes to food waste. Causes of food waste. Overproduction. Overproduction of food can lead to food waste, as excess food is often discarded due to lack of demand or storage capacity. Spoilage. Spoilage of food can be caused by improper storage or handling, leading to the decomposition of food before it can be consumed. Cosmetic standards. Cosmetic standards for food can lead to food waste, as produce that do not meet these standards are often discarded despite being perfectly edible. Examples of food waste. Agriculture. Food waste in agriculture can occur due to overproduction, harvesting inefficiencies, and cosmetic standards. This results in lost food and resources and contributes to environmental degradation. Retail. Food waste in retail occurs due to expiration dates, overstocking, and consumer behavior. This results in lost revenue and resources and contributes to environmental degradation. Household. Food waste in households occurs due to overbuying, poor meal planning, and improper storage. This results in wasted food and resources and contributes to environmental degradation. The environmental impact of food waste. Greenhouse gas emissions. Food waste contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major contributor to climate change. Decomposing food generates methane and greenhouse gas that is more potent than CO2. Water scarcity. Food waste contributes to water scarcity because of the large amount of water that is used to grow, transport, and process food. Wasting food also means wasting water. Landfill waste. Food waste that ends up in landfills contributes to the generation of methane gas, a potent greenhouse gas. Landfills also take up valuable space and can contaminate the soil and groundwater. Greenhouse gas emissions. Methane from landfills. Food waste that ends up in landfills produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas. This methane contributes to climate change and can be reduced by diverting food waste from landfills. Energy used in production and transportation. Food waste results in unnecessary energy use during production and transportation. Reducing food waste can minimize energy consumption and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Ways to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from food waste. There are several ways to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from food waste, including compositing, reducing overproduction, and donating excess food to those in need. Water scarcity, food waste, and water scarcity. Water is used in food production and is wasted when food is discarded, contributing to water scarcity. By reducing food waste, we can reduce water waste and conserve water. Impact of agriculture on water use. Agriculture is the largest user of water. accounting for nearly 70% of all global freshwater withdrawals. Reducing water waste in agriculture can help conserve water resources. Sustainable solutions to food waste. Reducing food waste at the source. Reducing food waste at the source is a sustainable solution to food waste that involves planning meals, buying only what is needed, and storing food properly to extend its shelf life. Food recovery and donation. Food recovery and donation is a sustainable solution to food waste that involves collecting excess food from restaurants, grocery stores, and other sources and donating it to those in need. Reduce and reuse. Reduce food waste at the source. Reducing food waste at the source is the most effective way to minimize its environmental impact. This can be achieved by planning meals, buying only what is needed, and storing food properly. Reuse excess food. Reusing excess food is another effective way to minimize food waste. This can be achieved by compositing food scraps and using food recovery programs to donate excess food to those in need. Donation and recovery programs. Food recovery programs. Food recovery programs can help to divert excess food from landfills and distribute it to those in need, thereby reducing food waste and promoting food security. Donation programs. Donation programs are a key component of food recovery efforts, enabling individuals and businesses to donate surplus food that would otherwise go to waste. Recovery programs for businesses. Recovery programs for businesses are a way to divert excess food from landfills and reduce operational costs while contributing to food security. Conclusion. Food waste is a significant issue that affects sustainability and has far reaching consequences. By examining the causes and impacts of food waste and exploring sustainable solutions, we can work together to create a more sustainable future. Thank you.